Hi everybody, this is Dale. Welcome to my channel, Not Too Shabby Chic. Today I want to show you a couple of quick tutorials on some Beebeecraft products that I did an unboxing for previously. So the first one that I want to show you is the craft paper stickers. I did the video completely and went back to look at it and saw that I had no audio. So I am trying to add audio to this, so it may be a little dysfunctional. So bear with me because I didn't want to re-record because I've already finished making the items. So I'm going to try this. But this is the paper, the craft paper stickers, and I'll have it linked below so that you can go straight to Beebeecraft and order it. It's awesome paper. I absolutely love it. It's easy to fussy cut. It prints beautifully. It's like expensive paper. It's great, and you'll see that shortly because I am making a tulip journal, and that's the first thing that I'll be showing you. I'm flipping through the pages to show you that you get a lot, and I've already used probably a quarter of the pages from what you're seeing on the screen. So getting out my tulip journal so that you can see what I did. I printed on the craft paper this image from Graphics Fairy. They have awesome free images. I'm a Prime member, or Premium member, sorry. So you can do that and have access to anything and everything. It's amazing. But I printed this tulip image on the craft sticker paper, and then I fussy cut it out. And as you can see, it fussy cut really nicely. So that was super cool. I wasn't sure how it would cut something kind of detailed like this, but honestly it's kind of soft, and it just does great. And this image will perk up this page because it's kind of plain, and I wanted to add a little pizzazz to this particular page. So I'm going to, in just a minute, try to open or peel the sticker and put it on this page, which was a jelly print page that my buddy Joyful Michelle sent to me for Happy Mail. But here's the image. See how gorgeous it printed? And that's the back. So now I'm going to attempt to peel it off, and I've never been good with that in stickers, but I managed to get it off. And you know, it's a little tricky because of the little small detail things you would think. And I'm going off camera, but it actually peeled away really well after I got it started. Next time I know to use something sharp to get it started instead of fiddling with my fingers. But once I get it started, here we go. Peeling it off. Yes, here we go. Being very careful so I don't tear it on video. Yay! So it peeled off great. I don't know what I was saying right then, but it's like, Dale, stick the sticker on the page and hush. So here we go. Sticking it down. And look how pretty that is. It just makes that page pop. And I had also inked around the edges with ground espresso distress ink by Tim Holtz. Isn't that gorgeous? It just made that page. So I was super happy with the way it printed. It's just a gorgeous image. The colors print beautifully on the craft paper. It peels and sticks easily. I mean, really well. You don't have to add glue like you do to some stickers that you get. They don't stick well, so you have to add glue. You don't have to do that with this paper, so it's very good quality. Then if you don't have a printer, I had some other things I wanted to show you that you could do. If you have rubber stamps, you can use your rubber stamps and stamp on the paper. It takes the images great, as you'll see shortly, and you can fussy cut those out. I took some images. I had a rubber stamp for a ticket that I cut out, showing you there. And you can make your own tickets if you don't have any. And then these were from Red Lead Stamps, redlead.com. They are two sisters, I believe, and they have the most gorgeous rubber stamps. And I got a paper doll set from them, and I stamped these two images onto the Kraft sticker paper from Beebeecrafts and fussy cut it out. Again, it fussy cut great, and I'm going to use them on a tag. I got this tag from online Michael's sale. There were like 80 of them for $4 or something to that effect, and they're thick chipboard cards. So they're awesome. I'm about to show you the package they came in from Michael's. There it is. You get the green, the turquoise, purple, pink, and on the other side there's yellow and orange, and I don't remember the other colors, but a great value. But they were shiny, so I took a sanding block and knocked that shine off because I like it grungy anyway, so that it would take the inking. And I inked the edges and what have you, and did the backs for journaling space. But I thought, I want to put something on here and make it cute. So you could use your rubber stamps, fussy cut the images out, and stick them on tags, journal cards, journal pages, anything you want. But I just love this paper doll, these paper dresses and hats. I've got several different ones and with the little doll, but the doll's bigger because she would be wearing this dress and hat, so I couldn't put her on here. But I'm placing it on the tag, as you can see. So I'm about to get ready and peel that sticker off that hat, and it gave me I had a little harder time with that than I did with the tulips, but I eventually get it off. Again, should have used something sharp. Next time I'll know, unless I forget, which is highly likely. So come on, Dale, hurry up. There we go, got it started. So it peels right off, and I'm sticking it up there close to the little hole because I need as much real estate as possible to fit the dress. And it again sticks down really well to this surface. It's chipboard, and it, you know, I sanded it some, but I love how this paper sticks down. It just is really, really good stuff. So now I'm going to peel the sticky back off the dress, and I think I got to it a little quicker than I did the hat, and it's off camera. Sorry about that. You can't see what I'm doing, but it's probably too painful to watch because I'm so slow doing this. There we go. Finally got it. Here we go. I'm going to stick that dress on there. And I just love the way it looks. And you can use colored pencils or markers. And it works great on this paper as well to add color if you want. And I might do that later. Right now I'm not. And then eventually I'm going to pull out a sheet of the words, because you could, you know, do the words and phrases, which I showed you before, and stick those on there. But first I'm taking some Hug Snug seam binding that you just crinkle it up and it stays that way. So I love the Hug Snug. And I'm just adding that through the hole for a little tie or frou-frou for my tag, because I'm not tying it on anything. It just makes them look cute. I guess that's why we do it. But you could hang it from something if you wanted to. So I'm going to trim that off because it's a little long. Yeah, about right there. There we go. So you can see that how cute that looks. And then I'm going to get the words, because I decided, I think I want to put something on there. And I had several, you know, I printed out and I looked and saw, one phrase that my mother used to say all the time, and the 21st was the 2-year anniversary of her going to heaven, so it was kind of a bittersweet day. But she used to say, "Hey girl," to people when she couldn't remember their name, or to the kids, you know, just being silly. So I saw that, I was like, I've got to put that on with this little dress and hat. So I'm cutting out the "Hey girl," and I'm going to stick it down on the tag because it looks to me cute with a little dress and hat, and just gives you some more ideas of how you can use this awesome, fabulous craft colored sticker paper. I mean, I'm in love with it. I got to get some more. I might run out, and I hope they don't ever quit selling it, because it's like one of my favorite things now. I just love it. So I'm sticking that on somewhere. Okay, I guess I'll put it right there. Sticking it down. I'm going to snip that edge off where I went over, and then I'm going to get my ink out and go around it just a little bit. Here we go, to kind of grunge that up a little bit. Now I'm using that ground espresso ink. It's already on my little brush. So there we go. Hey girl, what's up? So my mother, hi mom, reminds me of you. So it turned out really cute. You can journal on the back. I'm going, hey girl. So there was that. And you know, I'm not going to stick the ticket to anything, but you certainly can. Just wanted you to have an idea of what things you could do if you don't have a printer, or if you do but you have a lot of rubber stamps, which I do. This is a great way to use them, and you can stick those images on paper, tags, journal cards, whatever you want. They're great. Next, I'm going to show you the BB baby bells. That's what I call them. I don't think that's what Beebeecraft calls them, but they're great little dangles to put on anything, any kind of charm, jewelry. You could use it for jewelry, for earrings, for necklaces, for bracelets. You can use them, there's the item number. You can use them on bohemian beads, that we call them, and I'll show you one of those shortly. You can use them in your journal signatures, which I'll also show you. They're just so cute, and I've been looking for some tiny bells like that, because I'd gotten some from India when I ordered some boho fabric from Dust Fairies, and she includes a little dangle with those little bells on them, but they're in colors, and I thought, oh, I want some of those. They're so cute. So I saw the silver ones and wanted to try these out. So Beebeecraft sent me some, and I'm showing you the elephant and the boho bead that I made previously, and I needed a bell to put on there, so now I have some. I'm getting a jump ring and my little pliers, and I'm going to open that jump ring and grab a little bell after I put the jump ring through this connector. Of course, I'm off camera, I'm sorry about that, but I'm sure a lot of you know how to put something on a jump ring. So I'm putting the bell on the jump ring, and it's got a big enough, nice size hole that you can do that when you can't see as very well with your old eyes like mine. Closing the jump ring. Sorry, I'm off camera again. There it is. It's just a little something something. You know, it's so cute, and I might even add another one yet on the other side. Love it. So that just made that. Then I pull out another bead that I believe someone sent me either in Happy Mail or it was with something I ordered, and I do not remember who gave this to me, but it's super cute. But the end of it just needed something, like there was just that little circle down there and nothing hanging from it, and I thought, you know what, I need some of the BB baby bells. I love saying that, sorry. BB baby bells. Try to say it fast 4 times in a row and see how you do it. BB baby bells. But I just love them. So I'm putting 2 bells on a jump ring. Add one more right there. Grab my other plier and close the loop, the jump ring back, and look at that. Just made that boho bead. Just needed that on the end. Isn't that cute? They are so adorable. And there's just so many other things you can use them for too. I'm jingling it, and you can't hear it because my sound didn't work, so that looks kind of goofy, I know. But then I'm kind of telling you about the signatures and how you can use the bells to tie at the, if you leave your strings kind of long when you tie off your signatures in the middle. So I'm going to use an example sort of and show you, and cut a piece of twine and stick it on the end of it, you know, and you could put more than one. So they'll be really cute for that as well. And these are silver, and I think they have them in other colors too. You can surf their website, Beebeecraft.com, and I'll have that information linked below, along with the links to directly to each product that I demonstrated, the BB Baby Bells and the sticker craft paper, so that you can click right over and get you some, because they're really good prices, and again, great products, great value, great quality for everything that I've gotten. I've been super impressed and very excited that they allowed me the honor of demoing their products. And you can do it too, actually. I'll have a link below. You can, if you have 100 subscribers or more, you can apply and they will let you demonstrate their products. You just have to do an unboxing video, and then you do a couple of tutorials of the items that you get. So it's a great program. They're offering it to, you know, a lot of folks. So I would encourage you to take advantage of it, because you get some great stuff. And I don't know that I would ever have ordered some of this stuff had I not done it this way. So I've enjoyed watching some other people do theirs too and want to get some of the things that they got. So know that you can do that. I thank you so very much for joining in and watching me, and hope you got some inspiration from this video. And just know that you are loved, and that I love you, and I'm appreciative of your time and thankful that you tuned in. And I hope you have a very blessed evening. Bye bye.